Here, I am going to guide you on the precautions to be taken during the rainy season or driving in waterlogged conditions. Driving in waterlogged roads during rainy days may lead to water entering into the engine through the air intake duct. This may further lead to engine seizure, which is normally irreparable, and making your car off-road. I recommend the following precautions while driving on waterlogged roads. Do not drive your car in waterlogged roads. In unavoidable situations, if you happen to drive the vehicle in waterlogged roads and if your vehicle stalls, do not crank the engine. A single crank can cause you the loss of lakhs of rupees because of engine seizure. When you're expecting heavy rains in your area, please park your car at a higher ground so that the vehicle will not get affected by impending floods. I hope this information is useful to you. I'm here to free you from unwanted service tensions and save additional costs. I am T-Shield.